Welcome to my channel JS Lab. I'm going to start a new playlist in my channel about data processing using Python. And these videos are intended for beginners in data processing for Python. I'll start the videos with introduction to Python, its data types, variables, etc. etc. Then we'll go to the data analysis part. In this video, I'll show you how to download Anaconda and install Anaconda on your system. I'll be using Anaconda for these videos. Let's move to the content. In this video, we'll see how to install Anaconda on your system, computer. So don't worry about the name, it is very simple. It has made Python very simple for beginners. Anaconda, for those who don't know what is Anaconda, Anaconda is a conditional, free and open source distribution of Python and R programming. And it is using for scientific computing, data analysis. Okay, its aim is to simplify the package management and deployment. So it will be very useful for the beginners. The distribution includes data science packages which is suitable for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So we'll have a quick view how to install Anaconda on your computer. So go to anaconda.com or Google anaconda.com. Then you will see the if you Google anaconda.com, you can see this site. Go to anaconda.com. Then you can navigate through the web page if you are interested. For us, you will go to products, then individual edition, your data science toolkit, download. Click on download. It will show you Windows. So you can take your own based on your requirement. I am taking 64-bit installer, which is 466 MB. It will start downloading. It will take some time. Now the Anaconda installer has been installed, has been downloaded successfully. I will open that one. It will start the installation wizard. Okay, click next. Click agree on the license. Then okay, this one based on you can select either you only or all the users can use this one. Okay, I'm selecting just me. Click next, and this is where your Anaconda is going to be installed. This is JS, C users JS, and this is the directory where Anaconda will be installed. So you can change, but I'm not going to change here. Then this is space required. Make sure that you have enough memory in your drive. Then space available will be 170 GB for me. Okay, so click. Now we have two options: add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable and register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3. So if you are this one, I'll click. Okay, so it will show warning. So I am already having a Python installed in my computer. So here what you can see is you need to add if you add this one. If you are installing Python for the first time or Anaconda for the first time, I will recommend you to check this box, both the boxes. Okay, then you click install. Okay, then in your this 2.7 GB thing will be installed in your system. Now that we have installed Anaconda, we will see how to open Jupyter Notebook and Spider. So for that, you can go to and type Anaconda. So if you type Anaconda, you can see Anaconda prompt and Anaconda Navigator. Okay, so you go to Anaconda prompt. We'll see how to open Jupyter Notebook in Anaconda prompt and then using Anaconda Navigator. You go to Anaconda prompt and your prompt will come. Then we will see what is the Python version you have used. Python space version. Okay, you type Python version. So you'll get the Python version as 3.8.3. 3.8.3. That is the version of the Python. Now today what I installed is 3.8.3. Now if you are interested, what is the Conda version installed? So not Conda version, Conda info. Okay, type Conda info and click enter. So you can see Conda version is 4.8.3. So those who don't know what is Conda, Conda is an open source cross-platform language package manager and environment management system. Okay, we'll discuss those things later. Okay. This is the Conda version. Now we'll see the Jupyter environment. So in the C users, type Jupyter. In the prompt you type Jupyter space notebook. Okay, click enter. You can see in your browser Jupyter has opened, and this is the directory. Okay, you can select different files. I'm selecting here desktop, and this is where you can go to the new section. You can go for Python 3 text file folder terminal. We'll be discussing about all these things in the coming videos. Now for just to understand, I'll select Python 3. Then this is the Python notebook, Jupyter notebook environment we are going to work. Okay, for example, I am going to type 5 plus 5. Okay, 5 plus 6. I'll put 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6. Okay, and click Shift Enter. You'll get the result 11. Okay, so more operations we'll discuss in the coming videos. Okay, now I'll close this one. Leave. Okay, I'm going to leave the Anaconda prompt as well. Now we'll see how to work Anaconda Navigator. What is Anaconda Navigator? Okay, so click on Anaconda Navigator. It will take some time, about 1 minute or something. Okay, so Anaconda Navigator has come. Okay, so you can click OK. Then this is the terminal. So you can see here Jupyter Lab. If you go down, you can see Jupyter Notebook, PowerShell prompt. Then if you go down, you can see R Studio and also the Spider. Okay, so all these things will come pre-installed in the Anaconda. Okay, you can see various applications. So first we'll launch Anaconda Notebook. Okay, so click on Launch under Jupyter Notebook. So it will go to the same place where you have seen using prompt. Okay, so using desktop, you can take this one, a new file Python 3. Okay, same thing. Okay, so I'll do the same operation. 5 plus 6, Shift Enter, we'll get the value 11. Okay, so we'll close this one. Okay, now we will launch Spider. Okay, we will take Spider. Okay, we need Spider. This is Spider. If you go down in the Anaconda Navigator, you can see Spider. You put launch the Spider. The interface will be different. That's only difference. So you can see Spider here. Okay. So I'll remove this one. So whatever you have done previously, it will be showing in the text. So this is the where you can type your program. Okay, so text editor, and this is where you will get the console. You will get the results. Okay, so we'll do all these things we'll discuss in detail in the coming videos. So what I'll do is I'll give a value 5 to a variable x, then 6 to a variable y. Okay, then I type print x plus y. It will show the suggestions as well. Okay, plus y. So what I should do is I should select the text which I need to run, right click and run cell. Okay, so you can see in the console result 11 has come. The same thing you can do after selecting this one. Select this one and click on the green symbol here, run file. Okay, and you will get the same result 11. And this is the Spider. Okay, more videos on more information on this one we'll be discussing in the coming videos. So we have gone through how to install Anaconda in your Windows. Almost same procedure will be followed for installing Anaconda in Mac and Linux. We will be using Anaconda for doing the Python operations in the coming videos. We have seen how to install Anaconda on your computer. Windows, especially Windows. In the next videos, we will see an introduction to Python, means data types, variables, how to name the variables, etc. etc. So if you like my channel, please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye. Thank you.